Lava is so insanely hot that even the slightest touch could make you scream. Fresh lava flowing from a volcano can reach 600 degrees Celsius, and near the crater it can spike up to 2200 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than most ovens can even dream of. Drop a tiny bit of lava into water. The water will instantly boil and erupt in steam. And here's the eerie part: some volcanic craters look calm on the surface. But toss something in, and they start bubbling like a monster waking up. Lava isn't just fire, it's Earth's fury in liquid form. Drop your comments below.